Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to find your rental history on Credit Karma. So like rental karma and how to find it. So we'll go through the step-by-step process of how we can find it. So first of all, go to the Credit Karma, as this is the official website of Credit Karma. And once you're here, you can see this interface. So just make sure to log in with your account. And once you're logged in, you can try this on webs. And once you're logged in, you need to find this option called TransUnion's credit reports by clicking on View Score Details. Like you can just click find this option TransUnion. And once you find this option TransUnion reports, you will see this kind of interface. So from here you can just click on this option called Credit Health. As you can see, you will be seeing this interface. So just choose this option Credit Health. And once you go to this Credit Health option, you will be seeing another interface like this. And from here you can see credit factors or credit reports. So you will see these two options. So from here you just need to make sure that you click on credit reports instead of credit factors. So just click on credit reports. And once you click on credit reports, you will be seeing all the reports in this section. And as you can see, credit cards, other loans, rental, karma, residence. As you can see, these are the loans. And if you have many transactions, so you just need to make sure that you need to scroll down a little bit. And once you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to find your rental karma history in this section. So that is a simple and complete process of how you can find your rental karma history in this application called Credit Karma. So that is a complete and simple process.